Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to show you how to move your taskbar with the start menu from the center of your screen over to the far left where it used to be in Windows 10. The only thing you can't do is move it to the top of your screen or to the sides, which you could easily in previous versions by just dragging it, but the only other way of doing that in Windows 11 is through a registry hack, which I don't recommend doing. But if you are interested in learning about these registry hacks, please do comment below and let me know, and I'll make a video with the registry hacks. So if you click on the Start button, you want to go into Settings. Once the settings are open, you can go over to Personalization, and on the main part, go down to Taskbar. You'll see Taskbar Behaviors, which includes Taskbar Alignment. Clicking into there gives you several options, which, looking on the side here, you may not notice it at first, but it's on the line where the title is. Way over here there's Center, and if you click in that, there's a drop down menu or a pop-up menu, and if you click left, you'll see the taskbar shifts over to the left, and if we choose Center, it moves it back into the center of the screen. Some of the other options you'll have is to automatically hide the taskbar if you wanted it to do that. You can also have the badges show on some of the taskbar apps, such as messages on your Outlook program. You can also choose, if you have multiple displays, to show the taskbar on all the displays, and if it is showing on multiple displays, you can choose to have it show on all of them or just the main taskbar and the screen where that window is actually open, or only the taskbar on the screen where that window is actually open. You also have this feature of selecting the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop, and turning that on or off may not even look like anything, but with it on, you can move the mouse down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a little pop-up saying Show Desktop, and when you click on that, it just simply minimizes everything so that you can see your desktop again. And that's a quick tutorial for you. If you found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.